Hey, welcome back. We've had a request for video. Hey, when's the next video coming out? See if I can do this and avoid any early morning mosquitoes. So what we're looking at here is the Honda Urban Express. And this is the MLM circuit pipe for the Urban Express. I've installed it and started it up and ridden it, and it requires a much smaller jet than the MLM People's pipe. So I've got to rejet the carburetor and try again. But I thought I'd just kind of show this to you so you could get an idea on fitment and installation. So I guess let's flip around to the other side and we'll explore it further. It does, you'll note it does hang kind of low. I'm thinking, let's adjust this so you can see. There's a bit of space there between the bottom of the foot pegs and the top of the exhaust, as well as a bit of space between the center stand and the exhaust. So well, it'd probably sit up a little higher with the stock cylinder. This is the DR kit, and as you'll see, that lowers things just a little bit. So let's flip it around and I'll show you the other side. So we're without the tripod, so I'll try to hold it steady. The DR kit cylinder sits lower than the stock cylinder, so you'll see kind of in the center of the screen my stainless steel zip tie job, because the mount does not line up with the mounting point on the engine. So, you know, that's what we've done for now, just to test it. You know, maybe I'll put it on a stock cylinder engine so you can kind of get an idea here of how low it hangs. Of course, the sun came out in full force all of a sudden. The other nice thing, or one of the nice things about this, is that baffle silencer, whatever you want to call it, is attached with a spring. So the advantages are multifold, or at least twofold that I can think of. One is you can remove the back tire without removing the entire exhaust. Two is you can remove the silencer and potentially reduce the restriction, and also potentially raise your top speed. Probably at the expense of your eardrums, but maybe we'll give it a shot. Kind of in the shadows here, the MLM circuit pipe for the Urban Express also comes with the, it's kind of in the shade here, but a MLM Fender stay, which is quite a bit beefier than the stock Fender stay, and of course just extends down on one side of the wheel, but is fairly stable. Actually, seems to be pretty darn stable. I've had the front fender mount on this rear fender re-welded, because that's kind of the weak part of the fender. I know some of you out there are against rear fenders. Whoops, standing a little too close to me. So anyhow, later today, or maybe tomorrow, I'll rejet this and do a ride video. And right now I've got a VM18 carburetor on this bike, as you can see right there, with an 85 main jet, if I recall correctly. And I'll probably drop it down to an 80 main jet because right now this thing is running so rich I can barely get it over 35 miles an hour, and it's four-stroking like crazy, and I can't even get it above 300 degrees for the most part Fahrenheit when riding it around. So it's running way too cool, which is a sign that it's running way too rich. So we'll get on that and get back to you shortly. So I hope this fills your need for the latest installment in the Jack Rutherford series of noped how-tos and adventures. Thanks for watching.